thiete na mbere na gwikia ihoya kuri ministry ya githomo guku bũrũri-inĩ ritongoragio ni Ezekiel Mashogu makiuga ati ni marabatara ihinda inini gukorwo makimaka igeranio na maigagira wira Thinacara Rucini ni magakorwo makiuma wira wona ciharĩ wega thaa ithatu cia utuku nokira makiuga ati ni kinini gukiri uguo ni mathiete na mbere na kuga ati makorwo makiririkana thaa macio mothe makoragwo makimaka kigeranio aingi ao matikoragwo nginyanagia na thimu ciao cia moko maya mokite rĩrĩa arutwo a kĩrathi kĩa grade 6 arutwo kĩrathi gĩa 4 na roho na arutwo kĩrathi gĩa form 4 matanyitwo gũkorwo magĩikarĩra igeranio ciao cia gĩbũrũri.
We don't have any agreement with the Knec. They have been appointing our teachers to go and mark. They have been appointing them to go and invigilate and to go and supervise. Most of the times when they're invigilating, they go extra mile to spend a lot of time. Sometimes they leave at 6 and they come back at night. Nobody pays them. The National Examination Council does not address the concept of equal pay for work done. So we want to demand that our teachers now, before any appointment is done by the National Examinations Council, they must address the union. They must address teachers through the union because they have been discriminating teachers. They pay security officers, but teachers are paid nothing. Then when you go to the marking centers, those are concentration centers where teachers are not even allowed to have their gadgets of communication. And you know, this country, we have a very progressive constitution where the right for information is a right, is a constitutional right. Teachers cannot communicate to their families. Teachers cannot talk to outside the centers. So we are demanding that they improve the centers. But before this, we are asking the teachers not to report to the centers before the National Examinations Council talk to us.
Aya na gitio kinene mwiroreri wakwa rutwa betu korwo tugikiria tuthikuria thoko-ini tugetukire guthira mitambo na yamo tugicokereria niturahunduka na riboti makiria